Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a simple infinite loop using Raku. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a name up here. So, oops, not down there. Up here. So I'm going to create a scalar variable called name. And I'm going to assign it to a simple name like Dave. And we're going to come down here, we're going to create a subroutine called enter name. So my scalar entry. So we're going to get some input from the user, assign that to prompt, which will grab whatever the user types into the input box and tell the user what to do. Enter a name. Right, we're going to use until now, so until loop, until the scalar name, which is Dave, is equal to the entry, the scalar entry the user entered. We're going to do something. We're going to print you are not, let's put here scalar name, interpolate it a little bit. Right, all we have to do is save this and call the function subroutine. So that's going to be enter name. Save that. Right. Type in Raku here. Name the program test. Raku. Hit enter. Enter a name. I'm going to put Bill. Okay, so there you go. That will go on forever and ever until you close the program. So I hope you like that, and as always, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.